Hi, this is Brendan from Affinda, and this is our resume search and match technology. If you have thousands of applicants, you need a quick way to identify the right candidates and match them to the best jobs, which is why we've built this platform. Our main screen shows the options available to search. So we're going to try and find a software engineer who's located in the USA with more than 5 years of experience and with experience in Python, React, Java, and SQL. I will note that although we're searching real CVs here, all of the names have been anonymized and jumbled so as to make them unrecognizable. So now onto the search. For job title, we're going to want a software engineer. Suggested similar titles are going to be presented to us as we type. This allows us to add a role or two that suitably meets our needs. The location of the role is anywhere in the United States of America. For years of experience, we wanted a minimum of 5 years, and let's go ahead and set a maximum of 9. Under skills, we'll add Python. You start to see suggested skills coming up, which are common skill sets to the ones that you're entering. Now, we also wanted Java and JavaScript, then we'll go for SQL, let's add API, and we'll round up the skills with React. All of the candidates in the database are automatically scored and graded against each category that you've selected, and given an overall aggregate score, which indicates how suitable they are for the job. Expanding each of the contacts shows the results against each category, and I hover over to show additional data that may be relevant. A simple traffic light system highlights your best matches, those close matches, and those low-scoring candidates as well. There are a great many results here still, so we're going to go through and select areas that are non-negotiable for the role by ticking the required boxes. Now, this role is only available in the US, so we're going to tick this as required. And I also need candidates with experience in these skills, so I'll make each skill a required field also. We now have 78 candidates in total, with 8 clear leaders from a database of over 50,000. I can now select the candidates, I can push them through to the next stage with an integration to my platform. When you're done, just reset and start a new search. How easy was that? And if you want to start testing how Affinda's search technology can enhance your team or users, get in touch with the team, contact@affinda.com, or sign up for a free trial online. This is all powered by our document AI, Vega, which is able to understand CVs in a way that no other tech can.